Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to install the Epson driver. Open your Chrome or your internet browser and then search your printer model. For me, I'm going to use Epson L3250. So type Epson L3250 and then put driver. Press enter, then click on your model or the Epson link, and you'll be directed to the downloads. So we will try this recommendation, Epson Web Installer. But first, make sure you have selected your operating system. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit and it's being detected. So you can see here, detected, press on it. And then if you want to see the description for this driver, click on the plus sign, and then you'll see here what's inside the package and also compatible systems. Once you're ready, press download. You'll be directed to the download page, then press accept. Then find your location. I'm gonna save it in my downloads. Press save, and you'll see your exe file on your lower left. Click on it, then press yes. Okay, so this is the license agreement. Be my guest if you want to read this. It's a long agreement. If not, just press accept and then press yes. Okay, additional agreements. It says here Epson wants to collect software usage information, products. I think I don't need this one. Just uncheck, then press next. This is your first time to install the printer. Make sure the ink is being filled. I mean the ink tanks. Once done, just press I have finished. Press next. So let's just wait for the installation to be finished. It may take some time. After the installation, my printer was detected on the network. I have here the L3250, my MAC address, and the IP address of the printer. Press next, and it's installing again, which is the network setup. So let's just wait again. Now you'll be seeing this additional, I think it's some software. So you can choose what software or application you want to install. You can also uncheck if you don't want. Like me, I don't want this manual. How about Epson Photo? Let's see what's inside here. Let's easily print photos using variety of templates. Okay, I think I need this. Epson Scan Mart. Let's use scan original documents, save, send. Okay. How about updater? Maybe I can just download the firmware or software via website. So I don't need this. Just uncheck. How about support utilities? Check printer status. Okay, this will come in handy. How about scanner utilities? Epson Scan OCR component, Epson Scan PDF extensions. Let's use add password when saving. Alright, I think this will do. Press install. Okay, so we have finished the setup and installation of your Epson printer driver. Now let's press next, and it's checking for the firmware. Okay, so online product registration. If this is your first time, you may need to register the warranty. If you have finished, just press skip. Now your printer driver is ready. Setup complete. Just press finish. Okay, let's see our printer driver. So here on our desktop, you'll see the shortcut icons. connect site, photo, Epson Photo Plus Tool, Epson Printer connection checker. Okay, let's go to our driver. Go to control panel. Then go to hardware and sound, or click on view devices and printers. Okay, now your printer driver will be here at printers section. You can set default if you want, if you have multiple printers, but you want your Epson to be the priority, set as default. Now let's check printer properties. From here, you can configure the settings, what kind of paper size, is it color or grayscale, and so on. Now we are going to test if our printer driver is working. Let's try to print. I'll be printing a test page. First, I need to configure or set up my paper. So I'm using A4, portrait, and then grayscale. And once you're done, press OK, and then print test page.